Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You can't fully remove Apple's app library, but you can stop accidentally reaching it by pruning home screen pages. First, update iOS and back up your device. Next, press and hold an empty spot until apps jiggle, then tap the row of page dots. Uncheck pages you don't want visible. Keep 1 or 2 central pages. Once done, make sure frequently used apps stay on those remaining pages so you won't need to swipe into the app library. Now you'll reorganize to reduce the urge to swipe left. Create folders for categories, drag one app onto another, and populate them so each page holds more. Put 4 key apps in the dock so you never need more pages. If you remove an app from the home screen, it lives in the app library, so avoid using Remove from Home Screen unless you accept that. By consolidating apps and using folders, you minimize horizontal navigation. To stop swipes entirely during a session, enable Guided Access. Settings Accessibility Guided Access, then start it in the app and disable motion/swipe gestures. This is a temporary block but effective for focused use. If you still reach the app library accidentally, restart the phone and confirm you're on the latest iOS. If behavior is abnormal, restore your backup or reset home screen layout in Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset. This fix
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.